Planning production is never easy. I used to spend hours building a schedule, and since things tend to be dynamic on the factory floor, quite often I had to adapt the schedule. But that all changed since I started to use Plataine. Plataine takes a lot of my worries away. With its scheduler application, I have a digital assistant that helps me create a valid and optimal schedule within a fraction of the time. What I like about Plataine is that I have full flexibility to move tasks around in the Gantt. If I overlook a production restriction, I immediately get a notification about it. Plataine uses advanced AI algorithms that analyze thousands of scenarios. The software automatically creates a valid and optimal plan that improves our KPIs. Another great advantage is that Plataine offers a single software that is used both by planners and factory staff. Once I assign tasks to stations, the floor operators see them instantly on their screens. In addition, when an operator starts a task, I see it on my screen and know not to touch it. Unpredicted changes on the shop floor? No worries. Plataine's production scheduler is highly responsive and adapts the schedule. Or I can just run the auto schedule algorithm and the schedule will be readjusted automatically. This powerful tool is easy to use and offers dashboards and a planned versus actual report, so I can see the big picture at any time, also on my smartphone. With Plataine, I can quickly create optimal schedules that maximize our resources and respond to any change on the factory floor in real time.